Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So this is going to be a second part to this video. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the part I took the first time, which is about last week. I just didn't get enough time to finish the video because I did break. So last week was a different setting. Right now we will be trying a whole nother setting. So I'll go ahead and enter those clips in now, and then we'll look like an eagle up there. Anyway, we'll go ahead and enter those clips now, and then I'll go ahead and start working on these now. So this is a whole new setup that I'm trying. It's the same setup, but I'm trying different settings. So I want to see how that goes. So y'all stay tuned. I got that last video, but it ran a 2.6. So let's see what it do now. Let's go ahead and ready it. Let's see what she do. Spun a little bit out the hole. Alright, read. We got 2.7 at 64 mile an hour is up there. 2.7 at 64. Hopefully y'all seeing that. So let's get another hit in. Let's go ahead and restart that. Let's do it. That wasn't good. Let's walk down there. I was in it too long, so I ended up hitting the wall. I'm sure I bent the woolly bar, broke something. So we'll see. Alright, y'all. Let's see what happened. Let me take this off so y'all can see. So I'm gonna read it. Oh, it did 2.5 at 64. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. If anything, I snapshot it, but 2.5 at 64. That's not bad. Alright, so the damage is I just bent this right here. I don't know if I can fix that right now, but I have extra bolts in the house. As long as it don't snap, I'll be able to take that out and put a new one. But 2.5 at 64, that's not bad. It's definitely leaving nice. We'll see if I can fix it and get another Tesla though. Alright, got it all fixed up, so let's see if we can do better than 2.5. Let's see what happened now. Ask me, it might be a dry shaft. Let's see. Dry shaft. So I got some upgrading to do, and let me show y'all that snap clean off. So it definitely was gripping. This place right here is one of the best places we get grip at. And them tires hooked too. But let me show y'all where it cooked at. Snap right off from right there. So I do use beefier ones, so that's what I'm gonna do now, but I'm gonna change them as they break, so I'm only gonna put one on one side. Hopefully I can get back out later, so y'all stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I also will be trying a Shorty pack. It's my first time running a Shorty pack. I usually run long packs. This one is about that big, if y'all can see. It's a 6100 milliamp and it's 120C. I want to see if that weight distribution plays any factor. My wheelie bar is kind of bent back here. I forgot to bend that back, so we'll see how the car does right now. Alright, that was the first hit. I know where I'm at with it, so turn it up some more and see what happens. I did forget to put on a GNSS. Forgot all about that. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. GNSS ready. We'll go ahead and set it up. Let's see what it does. See what she did. 2.8 at 53. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, y'all, it's ready? Let's get the hit in. See if we got better mile an hour. Got 2.8 at 58. A lot of spinning off the line. Let's see if we could change that. Another test hit. Getting a lot of pulling to the right, and I believe that's because of my woolly bar is bent right there. It's a screw, I just gotta fix it. 2.8 at 54. Let's try one more time. I might change the battery just to see. This is a brand new battery. I don't even think it was broken in yet, so. Try one more time, see what happens. See if we get at least a 2.6. See what it ran, and I'm gonna change the battery. 2.8 at 53. Hopefully y'all seeing that. I'm sorry about that, y'all. 2.8 at 53. If anything, I'll go back and snap them and put them up there. But let me change the battery and see if I get better than 2.8 and 53. Go from there. I might as well show y'all the pack that's in there. I don't really run shorties. They do tend to get hot quick. Also need to fix my woolly bar because it's pulling every time I take off hard to the right, so it's not a good thing. This is the Shorty pack. Sorry about that, guys. This is the Shorty pack right here. It's already hot and mushy. I didn't even know it was a 7.6 volt. That's a high volt, so it's only 46. Anyway, sorry about that, guys, but it's a Graphene Plus Protect. Just trying it out, and I'm gonna try this other battery just to see if I get any better speed. So y'all hold on. All right, y'all, see what it do with the bigger battery. Read it. See that? Show y'all the difference. I gotta go over here. I want y'all to see this. That's just off of changing the battery. So we got a 2.6 at 59 miles an hour. So let's try that again. See what she did. 2.6 at 58. Seems I wasn't getting over 55 with that other one, so hopefully y'all seeing that. 2.6 at 58. Let's try that again. Alright, y'all. What it did. 2.7 at 57. One more in, guys. Right now, the way I got the car set up, I'm pulling the throttle. So it has not everything in it, but it has the power in it to where I can't leave off the line full throttle. So I'm trying to get it out good and then pull full, which I hate doing because if you're racing somebody and they get the jump on you, your first instinct is to pull full throttle, which will cause your car to flip or go out of whack. So that's why I like to get my cars dialed in for the pull full throttle right out the hole. Truth is, you can't be consistent doing it like a speed run. Consistency is the key. Alright, y'all, see what it do. I want to get one more in. I think I could do it better than that. I was being too cruel. 2.9. Show y'all that's a 2.9. A nasty 2.9. Let's get a 2.6 one more time. If not, we're just gonna call it a day. That was the last hit, y'all. See what it did? Call it a wrap. 2.7 at 56. So I got some more adjustments to do. We'll get there. I got the rustler out. I want to test my son's rustler, so y'all stay tuned for that video next. And we're supposed to get out tomorrow to do some tuning. So y'all stay tuned for all those videos coming. This weekend is a swap meet and a drag racing event, so y'all stay tuned for that as well. All right, guys.